also refused an interview, a mainstream media engagement asking me to participate in a debate. News 5 'tong nag-ano sa'kin, i-invite sa'kin. Ta's they wanted me to participate in a debate sa may UST. At ang topic daw is sino ang dapat paniwalaan, vloggers or mainstream media? And I refuse that. Bakit? Kasi unang-una, you should teach people to believe information that can be verified. You should teach people to believe kung ano yung tama, kung ano yung totoong impormasyon. This is not about vloggers are more believable than the mainstream media or mainstream media is more believable than the vloggers. Putang ina! Tigil-tigilan niyo yung kasasalsal na kaming mga vloggers ang fake news peddlers dito. 'Di ba? May mga vloggers na hindi accurate yung information, hindi. But so are you!